Now I will show you an example of a directive called ngIf and how to use it. For now, let's comment out this HTML file, and also we can leave this TypeScript file here as it is, and then we'll now create the ngIf directive. We will start with div, then we will use the ngIf directive, which is, for example, let's call a variable is log in. Okay, it's calling an error because it can't find the is logged in variable in the TypeScript component. So we will call here or create a variable is called is logged in. Let's set the value into true. TypeScript automatically detects if it's Boolean, or you can specify it here any, but I keep it like this because it's automatic with TypeScript. Then afterwards, after adding that, let's assume that this is logged in is true, given that in our TypeScript we inserted or created the is logged in variable to be true. We'll insert welcome. Then we will use again the brackets so that we can access a variable in the TypeScript. So let's say username. Let's say username. It does not conflict with the users, so it's okay. Then we input username is equals to student. It shows student here, and we just need to remove that because that's like a muscle memory, sorry. And then as you can see, if is logged in is true, like as you can see here, it's true, it's gonna print out student in the HTML file. That's the purpose of ngIf, which is much more useful if you have some conditions that you need to do in your HTML file. But if the is logged in, if is logged in variable is false, it won't show anything. It won't prompt the user that you're not logged in, you're having an error in logged in. So what we should do here is we need to create a div with a directive ngIf again. Div ngIf. Instead of putting is logged in, we insert a exclamation point where you can read it as if the user is not. This exclamation point means not, so it's not logged in, so it means it's not true, it's false. This ngIf will only work if this variable is false. Then we will insert you're not logged in. If we save it, it will show here. And if we change the table variable here in is logged in, we change it to true, it's gonna show a different one wherein our ngIf condition is true, and here our ngIf condition is false.